Yep. Just gotta thank them haters, man. In all seriousness, I'm gonna stop antagonizing these haters, guys. What is up, guys? Welcome on back to TK's Garage. And today I got a good one for you. You guys know we did the walk around over of the Bugatti Chiron over at Copart the other day. That video's been doing exceptionally well, and I have an update for you guys on it today. If you couldn't tell, kind of on vacation. I'm out here at the pool deck right now, sitting next to the little water feature, just chilling out here on the little cabana section, minding my B's and Q's. P's and Q's, B's and Q's, D's and Q's, I don't know. But it's minding my business, man. But so I saw a video this morning posted by Royalty Car Exotics. Houston had posted a video over there on why the car shouldn't be bought and where it's going to go at. And I got to be honest with you, where it's at right now, it's absolutely insane money-wise. But let me show you the car real quick so you can see what it looks like cleaned up and not just the photos that are on Copart. And then we'll talk about why I think it's insane. All right, guys, so this is the Bugatti Chiron that most of you guys have seen the lot number for. Cold start time. Guys, so this is the Bugatti Chiron, which was unceremoniously lit on fire by a hater, and you guys know exactly how we feel about haters, man. And this is just giving you guys a brief idea, a brief look at some of the damage to the car. Now you can see the tire is completely roasted, but the brake rotor and whatnot looks like it's okay. I mean, getting directly in here, I mean, a lot of the stuff under this fender is definitely burnt. The fender itself is definitely done, and as they showed earlier, the tub and whatnot on the inside here is also extensively damaged. Alright, so on the interior here, you can get a good idea of how bad the fire damage is in the tub. And you can see if I can get over here and get you guys a better look. You see some wires and stuff that are stripped that go down. Structurally, I would say it's okay. You can see the vice grips that they have down here that are on the jump point so they can actually jump start this thing. The interior of the car has been cleaned up. Also, you got the window that broke. You have a little bit of fire damage here on the door. The back of the car, the wheels and whatnot are just fine. No issues there. The interior of the door where the fire is, or fire was, you can see a little bit of damage right there. All right, so I don't know if you'd be able to redo that door or not. You have a little bit of fire damage here on the seat. All right, you got the Chiron Sport badge right there. You got the telematics and whatnot of the car here. Bugatti logo. We already showed you the engine there in the rear. Those amazing Bugatti keys, and you can see the climate control and whatnot over here with the shifter. Pretty basic car. I mean, when you're looking at it for $3.5 million, right? Let's go look around the other side on the interior. The rest of the car, the Alcantara all down the side looks good. No issues there. Dashboard looks good. The rest of the interior is very, very, very solid. I gotta be honest, this thing is super friggin' clean. You got a little bit of a well, they had the PPF peel in here on the corner. Nothing major though. And you guys can see if I can get you guys in to see the physical fire damage on the inside. But overall, considering what it is, at its estimated retail value, this thing is actually not bad. And again, the major structural point where you have the fire damage in here is not bad. I mean, this is all really pliable and not great, but if I can let me see if I can fold this and get you guys in here. All right, so you guys can see a little bit here under the wheel well. I know people like Tavares and whatnot will probably be staring at this, but you know, it's really just a matter of you're going to be able to get parts to fix it, right? I mean, that's really what it is. The rest of it does not look bad. A little bit of fire damage here and down the side here on the door. And like I said, your center stack and whatnot here, no check engine light, like none. You got an ABS light, steering light. Like a lot of this stuff is probably from the wiring harness being burnt on the other side of the firewall, but no check engine light. And it's got 2,175 miles. And when I tell you this thing runs good, it runs good, man. No issues at all. But there is your first look, guys, at the Bugatti Chiron here at Copart. Should give you a better in-depth look at this thing. Oh boy, boy, boy. She's super clean, man. Super clean. Got your seat controls. So if anybody's never seen the inside of a Chiron, now you have. But overall, like I said, not bad. So as you guys can see, you know, the car cleans up really well, right? It cleaned up really good. The interior looks really great except for the one little burn spot in the seat. But now Copart has updated the site and it does have a certificate of destruction. Now you could export it, but like Houston said in his video, you know, that's a $3.5 to $4 million car. And when you export it, you're going to have to pay the taxes on it, depending on where you're bringing it into. And it's like, you're kind of going to have the, you know, the amount of eyeballs you're going to have on you to export that car is kind of ridiculous. It's kind of not worth the hassle because everybody's going to be paying attention to it, right? Not to mention, you know, a car like that with a certificate of destruction, I can understand now why they had the appraisal, why they figured it was going to go for like $350,000 to $400,000. Right now, at the point of recording this video, the car is over $900,000. $900,000 at the time of me recording this video. Now, Copart could reset it, you know, reset the bids, because I'm willing to bet they're freaking out about it right now. There's no doubt. They probably weren't expecting it to go for as high as it is, but the attention that it's been getting has been absolutely ridiculous, so I can understand that. But what do you guys think about the Bugatti? It's already at almost $1 million, so what that means is for anybody who thought I was gonna try to drop my hat in there and buy this car, because I know you guys, well, you got to end with Copart, TK. You could probably work something out. Listen, I'm not working out nothing for $1 million. I can tell you. Look, I'm gonna stick to my M cars. All right, let me live with these for a little bit before you guys start throwing me at multi-million-dollar Bugattis. That's not happening. That's not happening, man. Give me a couple years, man. Jesus Christ. But yeah, $900,000 for a certificate of destruction Bugatti. That's ridiculous. Absolutely ridiculous. Not to say that the powertrain's not worth it, but I think even Bugatti just came out after that was issued and said, like, you're not going to be able to buy parts for it. I mean, what are you going to have somebody custom make a fender for it? You're going to have somebody custom make, you know, what are you going to put fiberglass on it at that point? It's not going to be right. You know, the car's never going to be where it should. It could be a good showpiece. You know, like I saw Houston talking about maybe buying it if it was a little cheap. But after fees and everything with this car, and after where it goes at auction, this thing's probably going to sell for between $1.5 to maybe up to $2 million, which is absolutely retarded. It's insane. It's just absolutely insane. But anywho's, let me know what you guys think about the Bugatti Chiron in the comment section down below. Is it already priced too high? Because personally, I think it's already way too high. But yeah, let me know what you guys think, and we will catch you guys on the next one. Before we go, I got to give a major shout out to our sponsor of today's video, and that is Mint Mobile. Mint Mobile is the great wireless service that allows you to buy your months of service basically in advance, and it's the only wireless company that's owned by Deadpool. I mean, that's just the cool factor all by itself. But in all seriousness, you know, $90 to have 3 months of totally unlimited service with hotspot is pretty unbeatable. $30 a month, that's pretty solid. Link in the description down below if you want to get a SIM card and try it on GP, just free. Get a SIM card, they'll send you 2. You'll get to try the service. If you like it, you can go ahead and activate the service. And if you use the link in the description, you get a little bit of a discount. So with that said, thank you guys very much for watching. Thank you very much to Mint Mobile for sponsoring today's video, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.